Greg and Ami, you have come together in this church so that the Lord may see you and strengthen your love for each other in the presence of this Christian community. Christ abundantly blesses this kind of love. For example, He has already blessed you in the experience of the new birth. And now He will bless